Hi everyone, so today we're taking a look at this, the BTSP-20 portable Bluetooth speaker by Inateck. Let's jump straight in and have a look. So as I said, this is the Inateck BTSP-20. You can pick this up on Amazon. Now, it's a small portable Bluetooth speaker which has an output of 3 watts. Not massive by any stretch of the imagination, but loud enough that it will fill the room with noise, just what we're looking for. Now, we've been testing this speaker out in a proper environment designed for this speaker as we've been building the studio. And so it's been exposed to dust, moisture, water, splashes, you name it, and it's come through absolutely unscathed. The entire device is kind of rubberized around the edges to provide plenty of grip when it's on a tabletop, but also reduce the amount of vibration that's coming through as well from the actual speaker. This works really well. With many Bluetooth speakers, we found they end up vibrating across the desk, not so with this one. They've also added a suction cup on the back, which works pretty well, but we didn't really find it all that useful in any of the scenarios we were testing it in. The auxiliary in and USB charging ports are covered by a piece of rubber which sits very, very tightly. You'll certainly need your nails to get in there to access those ports, but it does stop any moisture or water from getting into those ports, which is all important for a ruggedized device. Overall, as you're about to hear, the audio quality is excellent, although those mid-tones can become a little lost at high volumes when the bass is really kicking. The top end of the audio spectrum sounds pretty distinct actually on this device, and even with the bass turned up full and the volume cranked high, the bass does sound meaty, although it can feel a little thin on certain types of music. Now let's have a listen to some music played back from the device. You'll recognise this music as the loops we use actually on our background music for our videos, but it gives a reasonable way of testing these without breaking any copyright. Do bear in mind that you are hearing this audio third hand effectively, played back from the speaker, recorded on the camera, then uploaded to YouTube and processed by YouTube. It will reduce the quality considerably from what we were hearing. So there you have it, the Inateck BTSP-20, retailing at $26.99 on Amazon, around about $35 to $40. Thanks for watching. Do please subscribe to us on YouTube and Twitch, and please like and comment on these videos as well. We love to chat.